I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at the Dr. Brown's Level 3 nipples. This is a 6+ month nipple. This is designed for their narrow size bottles. And let's just take a quick look at this. So these are the nipples themselves, and here you get 2 in this pack. It's BPA free, which is obviously something important to consider with any kind of plastic material. These are actually silicone is the actual material, so they're very flexible and just has a very tiny hole at the top, and then this fits into your Dr. Brown's bottle, and you can see they show it here with the vent, the anti-colic vent that they're known for, so it's compatible with that and works well with that. Sizing these, this is a 6-month plus, level 3. You can look at the chart on the back to choose the right size for your kid. I find level 3 lasts even longer than 6 months, even up to a year. These are usually fine to use. We'll take a look inside, and we'll take a look at them in a little more detail. Okay, so here's the nipples themselves, and this is this sort of rubberized material. You can look at the side, again, it's silicone. You can look at the side and see the size on there. Sometimes a little bit hard to see in the dark, but you can see that it is the 3. So once you have a bunch of these in your house, you can keep track of the sizing. And you can see it's nice and flexible. There's the little hole at the top. Depending on the level, these are going to be faster flowing or slower flowing. So the higher the level, the faster the flow is going to be. And they're just really durable. They hold up really well. You can probably use these for several months. They're made in Germany, as it says along here. And one thing people often like to do is just sterilize these before their first use. You just put them in boiling water, boil them for a while. I tend to just wash them after that in the dishwasher. And if you do find that they're getting some kind of gunk built up on the inside, I'll try to do this one-handed, but you can flip this around and actually clean out the inside here and then flip it back for use. So if you find that things are starting to build up in the tip, that's a great way to get in there and clean that out better, or even flip it, dishwash it, and then flip it again. So that's the Dr. Brown's Level 3 nipples. Really a great product, I find, for feeding your baby. Any kind of feeding product, health product, you do want to obviously check with your pediatrician before you use it, but in this case, this is a product that I find works really well.